For kidney stones, you need sampasampalukan. That's the best. Sampasampalukan, makikita nyo na sa it's just very tiny plant. Parang siyang sampalok, but at the end, meron siyang parang mga bilog-bilog. So, sampasampalukan, those are your stone breakers. And you can use tanglad. So, paiihiin ka niyan, sambong. And magnesium. Magnesium is the best for stones. Kasi usually the stones are made up of calcium, di ba? So if there's a lot of magnesium in our system, yung mga stones natin will not bind to calcium. Instead, they will bind to magnesium. And magnesium it will not form as stones, unlike the calcium. So magnesium is good. So what are the foods that are rich in magnesium? Green leafy vegetables. Those are good for you.